In this video, we'll walk you through how to create a shipment from a sales order in CustomBooks. Start by opening your sales order, then click Generate and select Shipment. This will automatically pull in all the details from your sales order. If you're doing a partial shipment, you can adjust the quantity of the items as needed. Next, go to the Addresses and Shipping tab to confirm that the shipment is being sent to the correct address. Here, you can also enter in the shipping method and tracking number. If this is a drop shipment, check the Dropship box on the main tab. Then navigate to Address and Dropship Details tab, where you can enter the dropship customer information. Once all the details are entered, simply save the shipment and you're all set. With CustomBooks, shipping to your customers has never been easier. Our streamlined process helps you manage orders efficiently, reduce errors, and get shipments out faster.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please check out our other videos. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up on all the latest news on CustomBooks.